Welcome to Blend CG. In this tutorial, we will guide you step by step on creating captivating product photos. Effortlessly, we'll guide you through the process of creating amazing images for your product, making them appear truly professional. Best of all, we've designed this tutorial to be easily accessible for everyone regardless of skill level. Plus, we'll exclusively be using free tools or suggesting free alternatives, ensuring you won't have to spend a dime. Are you ready to take your product photography to the next level? Let's dive in. Hello everyone, I'm Zamenu. By the way, you can see all of my button. Press in the left corner down here. So now if you want to begin, and press Shift and then this menu comes up. We want to add a simple cube, and now we got our basic cube here to transform this into a perfume bottle. We can press G and then press C, then we basic cube here, and we want to transform this into a bottle. Get this and then just move it how you like it to get a decent size of how you so now we got this toggle cube, and that's press tab again, press CTRL-R, then you see this yellow line. This is a loop cut. Do it in this line or in this line. Then we press delete and delete the vertices. Now we got this. From here on, we go to the edge mode, then we hold Alt and then select the top. Now we got the whole top selected, and then we press E. Then we get a new face, then we press. For your product, I will do mine about this one. I like it like. Right click again, then we press S, and then we can just scale it in. Now scale, this is the top of the bottle, scale it to how we like it. Then we will press Shift Alt and S. This is a shortcut to turn this into a circle. Now you can see it's rounded. Again, Shift Alt S so you can easily follow along. Then from here on, what I will do is extrude it again so we get a little cap. So I press E again. I'll choose one for my product. For my bottle, I want it like this. It's very simple, very good. Like this. Then now it's pretty rough. And go to subdivision server so now it transforms. You see it looks weird now, but we'll fix this as we go on. So in that is we add another modifier and we add a bevel. And with this bevel we can, if we play